Mom! Mommy!
Hey guys, welcome back to the Q fam. So today we're gonna make cheesecake, and we're not gonna be all fancy. We're gonna make it from the box, quick and easy. 3 ingredients: sugar, butter, and some milk. That's it. So let's get into it.
Combine crust mix, sugar, and melted butter. Press onto bottom of plate or pan. Beat filling mix and milk with mixer on low speed for 30 seconds. Then on medium speed for 3 minutes. Spoon over crust.
It's actually pretty good. Oh my god. So after you bake, what you do, you lick the pan. That's what you do. You lick the pan. Daddy is missing out on this pan licking. And we wait for an hour, and then we can eat. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. That tastes good. That actually tastes pretty good. I mean, it ain't Publix cheesecake, but it tastes pretty good. So, thank you guys for watching. Now, if y'all want to see a real homemade cheesecake or how to make a real homemade cheesecake, just check out the video below. My girl Queen Key 83, and she'll give you all that you need.